I'm Sarah from KiwiCo, where we design super fun and enriching activities for kids. Today, I'm going to take you through the song that we included in our Travel With Me crate from our Panda Crate line, which is designed for babies and toddlers. All right, let's take a look inside the crate. So the Travel With Me crate is about two things. It's about developing your baby's motor skills, and it's also about getting out and about with your baby. So all of the products and activities that we include in the crate are designed to not only help your baby strengthen those muscles, but they're also easily packed up so that you can take them with you wherever you go. All right, let's take a look in the magazine. So in the magazine, we decided to focus on tummy time since we're talking about strengthening muscles. Tummy time is time that your baby spends on their belly with their bottoms up while you are with them. And tummy time is really important because it might not seem like laying on your stomach is a big deal, but for a baby, it is a huge workout. So for starters, babies' heads make up about 25% of their body weight. So just lifting their head is really hard for them. So time on their tummy actually helps them to strengthen those neck muscles, to strengthen their shoulder and trunk muscles, which are the muscles in their abdomen and their backs and their glutes. And it's gonna help them to be able to roll over and to walk and to crawl. So we give you milestones for things that you should be looking out for that your baby can begin to do every month for tummy time, and then also ways to help encourage them to continue on in their tummy time journey, and also ideas for just playing while they're on their tummies. We also talk about getting outside with your baby, because as a new parent, it's really hard to get out of the house. And it's really important because it's scientifically proven that just even a little trip outside can help boost yours and your baby's mood. And the sunlight can actually help set your baby's circadian rhythm so that they could sleep better at night, which as a new parent is really helpful. Since we focused on travel in the magazine, we decided to use the song The Wheels on the Bus. So this song is great because the tune is really easily recognized, and you can also fit the words to match where you're going. So you could use the wheels on the stroller go round and round, the wheels on the car go round and round, whatever you like. So let's sing the song, shall we? All right, ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The baby on the bus goes on a trip, on a trip, on a trip. The baby on the bus goes on a trip, all through the town. The baby on the bus looks all around, up and down. What's that sound? The baby on the bus looks all around, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job, everybody. All right, well, that's it for this Panda Crate sing-along. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're curious about what we do here at KiwiCo, please visit our website at kiwico.com. Thanks, and see you next time.